Hello everyone, we are from IT department of MGR University. We are going to show about the agents and its types in AI. Presented by third year BTech IT section, K. Ashwini, M. Irfana and M. Jothi. Now we are going to see about the agents in AI. In artificial intelligence, an agent is a computer program or system that is designed to perceive its environment, make decisions and take actions to achieve a specific goal or set of goals. The agent operates autonomously, meaning if it is not directly controlled by the human operator. In this, we are going to show about the types of agents in AI. Agents can be grouped into 5 classes based on their degrees of perceived intelligence and capability. All these agents can improve their performance and they generate a better actions over the time. The types are the given below: simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based agents, utility-based agents, and learning agents. And next we are going to show about the simple reflex agents in AI. The simple reflex agents are the simplest agents. These agents take decisions on the basis of the current precepts and they ignore the rest of the precept history. These agents only succeed in the fully observable environment. The simple reflex agent does not consider any part of the precepts history during their decision and action process. The simple reflex agent works on condition action rule, which means it maps the current state to action, such as the room cleaner agent. It works only if there is a dirt in the room. Problem for the simple reflex agent design approach is they have very limited intelligence. They do not have knowledge of non-perceptual parts of the current state, mostly too big to generate and to store, non-adaptive to changes in the environment. And this is the diagram of the simple reflex agent problems.
Everyone, I am Jothi. I will explain about model-based agent. The model-based agent can work in a partially observable environment and track the situation. There are two important factors in model-based agent. One is model, second one is internal state. Model, it is knowledge about how things happen in the world, so it is called a model-based agent. Internal state, it is a representation of the current state based on present history. This agent have the model, which is knowledge of the world, and based on the model they perform action. The agent state requires information about how the world evolves, how the agent action affects the world. This is the diagram explain about the model based agent. The next type is goal-based agent. The knowledge of the current state environment is not always sufficient to decide for an agent to what to do. The agent needs to know its goal, which describes desirable situation. Goal-based agent expand the capability of the model-based agent by having the goal information. They choose an action so that they can achieve the goal. This agent may have to consider a long sequence of possible actions before deciding whether the goal is achieved or not. Such consideration of different scenarios are called searching and planning, which makes an agent proactive. This is the diagram explained about the goal-based agent.
Hello everyone, I am Irfana. The next type is utility-based agents. These agents are similar to the goal-based agents but provide an extra component of utility measurement which makes them different by providing a measure of success at a given rate. Utility-based agents act based not only goals but also the best way to achieve the goal. The utility-based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives and an agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. The utility function maps each state to real number to check how efficient each action achieves the goals. This diagram explains the utility-based agents. Learning agents. A learning agent in AI is the type of agent which can learn from its past experience or it has learning capabilities. It starts to act with basic knowledge and then able to act and adapt automatically through learning. A learning agent has mainly 4 conceptual components which are learning element. It is responsible for making improvements by learning from environment. Critic. Learning element takes feedback from critic which describes that how well the agent is doing with respect to a fixed performance standard. Performance element. It is responsible for selecting eternal action. Problem generator. This component is responsible for suggesting action that will lead to new and informative experience. Hence, learning agents are able to learn, analyze performance, and look for new ways to improve the performance. The below diagram explains the learning agents. Conclusion. In conclusion, autonomous AI agents collect and analyze data, pre-process it, make decisions based on machine learning algorithms, take action, and receive feedback. Thank you all for this opportunity.